Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Maths Olympiad problem. In today's class, we are trying to solve 3 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power of x plus 1. To solve this problem, we simply require to find the value of x that will make both the left and the right hand side to be the same. So first thing you have to observe here is that the left and the right hand side have different bases, base 3 and base 2. So they cannot be expressed in common base. So the first thing we have to do is to take the logarithm of both sides. So if I take the logarithm of both sides, I have it that log 3 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to log 2 to the power of x plus 1. Good. Remember the laws of logarithm, which says that log a to base m of n is equals to n log am. Okay? When you have a power, you simply multiply the power to the logarithm. Nothing changed. So we'll apply it to the left and the right hand side. So we have it that x plus 1 then log 3 is equal to x plus 1 then log 2. Okay? So the next thing we do is to open up bracket. We use log 3 to multiply everything inside this bracket. So we have it as log 3 will times x, giving us x log 3. Log 3 will times 1, giving us plus log 3. And it's equals to, same thing is applied here. Log 2 will times x, giving you x log 2. Log 2 will times 1, giving you log 2. Okay, good. So the next thing we have to do here is simple. Very, very simple. All we have to do is just to collect like terms. Bring in the one that has x together and taking the one that doesn't have x in the other side. So here we keep the first one, x log 3 log x log 2 crosses the equality, or we subtract it from both sides. It gives us minus x log 2, and it's equals to, what's left here is log 2, then log 3 crosses, you have it as minus log 3. Okay, good. So one thing we have to remember now is the laws of indices, okay, which says that when you have log m minus log n is equal to log m over n. That's when you are subtracting logarithm in the same base, you divide the numbers in common log. So since that thing is applied here, but first let's factor out x. X will now be, we are left with log 3 minus log 2, and it's equals to log 2 minus log 3. Okay? So that's what we have here. So since we are having this, we now apply this rule. We'll now apply this rule. So this rule will now make it that x will now be into log 3 over 2. The numbers are 3 and 2. Applying this rule, then it's equals to log 2 over 3. Okay? Then the next thing we have to do to get the value of x is to divide both sides by log 3 over 2. Okay? Divided by log 3 over 2. Okay? So if you divide by log 3 over 2, this will be out. Minus 1 log 2. If you have minus 1 now, then we'll reverse it to be what? 3 over 2. Okay? Okay. So to make it simple, it's very easy. Since we have this, recall that we can write this as log 3 over 2, then raised to power minus 1 divided by log 3 over 2. Okay, because if you raise this to power of minus 1, then if you raise this to power of minus 1, it still becomes this. So from the laws of logarithm again, we'll multiply the minus 1. It becomes minus 1 log 3 over 2 divided by log 3 over 2. So log 3 over 2 will cancel out log 3 over 2. We have that x is equals to minus 1. So the value for x is minus 1. Okay? Like and share this video for more contents like this. Bye.